Hello everyone, we are back with Beverage reviews. We just got this container from Amazon in the mail. This is for our RO system. So if you have an RO system in your house, maybe this can help you out as well. We had, because we have the RO system at the sink, but the problem is that the water comes out, it's not that cold. And you could taste the difference, obviously, with RO water. It doesn't taste bad, it just has no taste, where other water has minerals and stuff, they add to it for taste. So, but when you put it in the fridge for like 15-20 minutes, a cup of water, that's a cup of water. Obviously this is going to take a lot longer when it's a bigger size, but 15-20 minutes, you don't even taste the difference. You just taste nice, cold, refreshing, water, and it tastes great that way. So that's why we got this, so we can have healthy water and have it cold right in the fridge, ready to go. So the taste, you won't even notice anything. It'll taste fine because it'll be nice and it'll be just refreshing anyway because it's cold. So this is a review, just a little review of what we got. We just got this from Amazon. Let's see what it looks like. It feels very light. Very lightweight, not like the Brita. The Brita ones are usually a lot heavier. This, who's barking? Alright, so this is what it looks like. That's the tag. 2.5 gallon my mom got, which is good. This comes off, it looks like, to clean. Can you see that? Yeah. So this comes off to clean. So you could pull this out, clean it right up. There's a gasket in there. Hopefully that gasket, nothing ever happens to it. Otherwise, you're going to have to find a replacement for it or call up and get a replacement for that gasket. Let's tighten that back on. Yeah, I would try not to mess with that gasket as much as possible because who knows if you can get a replacement. You'd have to make your own. I mean, you can probably make your own, but I'm too lazy to do that, So here's how it is right here. Okay, here's the top. Top comes off like this. Here's the opening, enough for me to fit my hand in here. I can get a good cleaning in here. I have a small hand, you know what I mean, but you could probably fit your hand here a little bit bigger than me and be able to get a good cleaning in here, which is what you want. You want to have a good cleaning in there. So it just says Arrow H2O, that's it, 2.5 gallon beverage dispenser is all it says. So it has little waves on the side, as you could see, little waves on the side, which is kind of cool. But like I said, it feels very lightweight compared to a Brita. It should do its purpose. Hopefully it's, BPA free and all that other stuff. I'm not sure. Does it say that? Stain resistant. Oh, BPA free. Okay, see, it does say BPA free right there. So it is BPA free, and so hopefully it's good enough. So let's see if it fits, so I could show you what it looks like on my counter, so we can get a review all in one. See if it fits. Here we go. So that's my RO right there. Right there is my RO. Let's see if it fits in the sink easily. It's going to be tough. It is going to be a little tough to put this in here. Just to show you so everyone could see. Sorry. There you go. So see how it lines up? I don't think we can line it up any closer. You would have to hold it. Let's see. See, it goes in. It doesn't really work with the kind of sink that we have. If you have this kind of sink, here, look at my sink. It's an extra deep sink. This is a 9-inch, I think, deep sink, or a 10-inch extra deep, which is great. But the shape of it is just very tough for it to work out to fill this up. You got to hold it up in place. So I'm going to have to put something under there, such as the cap or something like that, and then have it fill up. Let's see if we could do that with the cap, and then you can see if that's possible. I was thinking that if I jam it up with the cap, and then I fill it up. So you can jam it up with the cap, and it kind of works. So that's an idea. If you have this kind of sink, just to show you, you can jam it up like that, But I don't know about how heavy it's going to get and how much it's going to fill, and then it might start to tip over. So this is just a test to show you that you can make it work for a little bit, but I'm not sure if it'll work for the full amount. So what are you going to do? But that's just an idea. See, it's already getting all messed up. So you would have to fill up a pitcher and then fill it up in the sink to make it easier. All right? All right, so thank you for watching. That was just a little review of this, seeing if it would work for you in your house, seeing if this will help you out. Like I said, you still got to tilt it. It's still a pain in the butt. You're better off filling up a pitcher and then just pouring it in there first. All right? And please comment below, ask any questions. By the time I post this, I'll have this for a while. So if you have any questions, always make sure you just post them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, as long as I know the answers, of course. Subscribe. I'm always putting reviews up about stuff that we buy and putting, hopefully helpful content for everybody. So before you buy it, you could see if this will work for you in your house before spending the money on it. And that's it. All right. Thank you for watching Glenn Velvet Reviews. You have a wonderful day. Enjoy.